Good morning! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Lido back in it again, and today we are going to do car vlog. Yes, we are going to install this one, a dash cam. So we are going to install this one in our car, and let's start it. Let's get it on. Okay, first, so let's see what's in the box. But first, this one is the brand QCY, and the specs right here at the back. It says here it's a full HD 1080p. It has a night vision, wide angle, cycle recording, parking monitoring, and G's sensor. So let's open this one. What's inside the box? First, this one, your rear view mirror. Hey, what's up? And it has a control here, and also this one, it has memory slot and the auxiliary in for the reverse camera, and this one is the power outlet. So ito yung ipa-plug mo dito sa cigarette socket mo, and then itong isa, ito yung yung reverse camera. It's very simple step. You can do it by yourself. Very simple, it's very easy. At meron siyang dito, meron siyang clip sa likod para pagkalagay mo dyan sa rear view mirror mo, may clip siya. Ito, lalagay mo lang dun. Okay, let's install this one. Next step, you're going to pull this one, and then merong 10 mm na socket wrench here, and you're going to take it off. Kailangan mo lang nito 10 mm tsaka yung socket wrench mo. Wait, kuha lang ako ng adapter. Adapter. Boom. And then gonna take this one off. Yung rubber, itong rubber na tapos pull. Yeah. So easy, guys. Easy as pie. So this one, we are going to put this one here. There you are, Peppa. Yun. So yung sa akin guys dito, sinabay ko na sa yung wire niya hanggang dyan. Tapos dito sa gilid, here at the side, it's right there. Hindi nyo na makita kasi andun. Siningit ko na sa gilid. And then from there, we are going to take this one off para mas mas maigi natin ma-install later. So see guys, it's really easy to install now because look at the difference. I take off this one, the glove box. Look at this one. Yeah. So I'm going to install it here, put it here, this side, in this side, and then here we're going to take this one off, this one, so that it will fit right here in the side, and boom, it's your outlet. Let's get it. So guys, there it is. I tuck it here, right there, put it inside here, underneath here, and then boom. Haha. See, it's so clean. And then I'll put everything back from this one, also from here, and then this one. We'll put everything back. So guys, the first step is done. It's all done. And then second one, this one, it's the reverse camera. Meron pa din. Meron siyang socket dito. Dito na din natin isadaan hanggang sa likod. So let's get it on. So guys, just to make an update, I'm installing the reverse camera at the back. Sinubukan kong dito idaan yung mga wires sa baba. Kaso nagkukulang tayo sa wire, parang maiksi lang yung wire, kaya I got an idea. So I put dito ko dinaan yung wires sa taas. Look, dito sana pinadaan yung wire dito. Kaso pagpunta dun sa likod, maiksi na yung yung wire niya, yung cable. So yung sa akin, itong unit ko, Toyota Fortuner, dito ko na lang dinaan. Dito nasa taas na lang ako. Tapos dito dinaan ko na dito sa taas hanggang doon. Kita nyo, dito pa yung isang wire. Tapos dito fix na, wala nang hindi nyo na makikita yung wire. Tapos itong wire na to, we'll make this go right there at the back. So let's get it. So guys, just to make an update, after fixing the wires here from the front to there, up here, put it here, and then here, and then this one, I put my camera inside para iwas nakaw. Yun, sa loob ko na lang nilagay. So there you go guys, it's done. This is our lawn, and this one right here is at the back camera. So it's good.